All right, today we're going to bring some brass wall scones, if you guys can see that. Now, they give you gloves, the actual for the wiring, and also for the actual cover of the actual system that you have to mount to towards the actual ceiling or to the wall, wherever you're going to set these up. Now, these could go vertical or horizontal, however you want, or however you design it. If you put two of them, you can put them like torches, up and down. Now, these are the actual covers that are going to cover the light, and the light's going to actually shine from one area. So you could have one facing up and one facing down, vice versa on the actual lights. Now, the first time in history I ever seen this, that they did not give you one option, but they give you two. They give you the white light and the warm light. So we are going to try the warm light in here, and we are going to try the white light on one of them so you guys can see the difference and which one you guys depend on you want to set this up. Now, they also give you these, which are the actual silicone covers here, so it could actually slip on even better, because pretty much it's not threaded, it's just mounted into there. So let's set it up and see how it looks. All right, so here we have the two different types of light bulbs that we have. We have the warm light, all right, and then we have the white light. All right, now depending on which you want to set up, it's up to you, but this is the brightness. This is only the light bulb without the cover. All right, we're going to set up the cover now. All right, we set up the cover here on both of them so you guys can see it, and let me twist a little bit so you guys can see the cover towards me. Right, here we have the two types of different lights on it. If you guys can see, they look beautiful. We're going to set them up on the actual fixture and see how they look on the wall. All right, we decided to go with the warm light. If you guys can see, I'm going to show you guys a little bit up close. But far, I'm shining them down, but like I said, you could have one facing up, one facing down, depends on you want to have your light fixture set up. So you can have parallel or horizontal. Either way, you're going to be able to shine. And right now we're looking at from underneath. I'm going to show you from the top view too. So this whole thing, this was easy to set up. It took me about 10 minutes, as long as you have the actual power set up, and they brighten it pretty nice. So if you have a portrait or an entrance, this is perfect. Now we're going to flip one of the sides to point up and then one of them down. All right, so we ended up pointing one up. You guys can see it, one up and one down, and we're still using warm lights. So you could have these right in your hallway or entrance of the actual your home, or any hallway, pretty much, like I said, you know. So very elegant. They come in various colors, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.